Hi everyone, so today we're in the beautiful park de Foyetes, which isn't too far from Jamie, and as you can see it's actually a pretty big park. I mean, literally goes all the way down here, like literally right down bottom there. Got all this bit like bowls area, got some sort of kids play area, big stage up the back there for like what I can only assume has been the Latin Fest. Market is somewhere up there as well, but of course it's been moved.
It's ball, not balls.
Ball. Okay. An area to play ball. And I don't mean football. Quite a nice little park. Got these trees here which are that gives off the procession caterpillars, which hopefully ain't out this year yet. But yeah, been and gone. Someone set up an area there for like a birthday party later. Quite nice. Quite a nice sort of quiet area, to be honest. So yeah, gonna sit and have a nice little picnic. Got Scooter Sue there. Mike, gonna be interesting. Okay guys, here we are, middle of nowhere. I'm told all this like dirt trap land area thing is another park called Park Marietta, I think it was. I don't know, but yeah, it's been all shut off for the Sky Fest. Scooter Sue was saying there's like some public pool over there which you can't get to because it's all been closed off because of Sky Fest, but me and Mike's just sat up by someone about.
So guy, you go out on trips with Sue, you've got to check it out before you go out. Because
Agreed.
it's not the first time this has happened, guys.
Agreed.
It really isn't.
I mean, I could think of worse areas to be in. I mean, such a beautiful view from up here. I can see right down like to Rincon and apartments down there. Can just about see the cross.
That's where we used to live. See that big building up there with the...
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See it with the white bit on the top with the...
Yeah, the
arrow thing.
big pointy other building. That's where one by where we used to live. I would zoom in but got kind of energy drink because I'm shattered.
Yeah.
So like right in the distance there, that white building there, that's about where we used to live. The cross is about round here. Got the sea just over there. Then,
that's where we
yeah,
first
Hotel Travolta. That's the first hotel apartment place thingy we stopped in when we first started coming to Benidorm. That were God, probably 20 years back, if not more. I mean, I'm 25 now, you're 65, so...
About 18 years ago,
yeah, probably 18 years ago. Not changed much. Like, still looks the same from when we used to go, to be honest.
Same, mate.
And to be honest, coming up here as well, I remember when the outdoor Spanish market used to be somewhere down here, when we used to walk up from Travolta, like cut off down the dirt track to go to it. God. Funny how like coming some areas that reminds you of stuff ages ago. And here comes Scooter Sue to probably tell us there's no other way round to it, and she's wasted the day for us.